is up, everybody? Start this day going to the gym, put some work in. Good way to start the day. Get up, go to the gym, and then everything else just falls into place. So if you haven't gone to the gym today, get your ass up and go to the gym. You'll thank me later. Mr. Hood, what's up, bud? We're going to the gym again. I just can't wait to go to the gym again. Oh man, it's so awesome being able to wake up, not having to go straight to class. Oh jeez. Aaron, you going to the gym? Gonna put that grind in? Okay. I see you, Aaron. I see you. Oh, that is a nice Jeep, ain't it? Oh, it is just so nice. Look at that bumper. Whoop. Let's go ahead and get this workout in, boys. Right here's the spot. Well, that was a hell of a workout. Holy shit. Worn the fuck out. Now that we got our workout in, we are golden, baby. Golden. Skirp, skirp. Go home, take a shower, cause my ass stank. I got that stank booty. Oh Lord. And that stank booty ain't no good. Okay, somehow it is raining. I don't see a damn rain cloud in the sky. So that's interesting. But it sure as hell is raining. Got my workout in. Now it's time to go find something to eat, man. I was gonna go check out a few of the motorcycle shops around here, but they're all closed on Monday. So the only real question is where to eat. I think I'm gonna go get Moe's. You guys have Moe's near you? Moe's is like the best burrito place around. They might only be in Florida though, I'm not sure. If you've had Moe's, you know what I'm talking about. Similar to like Chipotle, just better. And they got this queso cheese dip, and it's just like heaven on earth, I'm telling you. I need to get some gear. That's why I wanted to go to the motorcycle shop to see if they had anything. I went to one and they had like 2 jackets. 2 jackets. Big ass store, and they got 2 jackets. What's good, homie? Well, this looks like it's gonna be shitty. You got an 18-wheeler and you got a bus. Oh fuck. Ain't that some shit? I don't know if any of you guys are Call of Duty fans, but I used to be big into Call of Duty. They just released the trailer for the new one, Infinite Warfare. Looks like it's gonna be another futuristic shooter with boost jumping and all that crazy shit. I don't know, I may get it, may not. Alright, if this light don't turn green, man, I'm baking in the sun here. I'm baking. Bacon. I hear a fire truck. There he is. There you go. I don't know if I'm being impatient, but I've been sitting here for what seems like forever. Finally, holy shit. Why the hell are you braking? Why the hell is you braking? I can see you looking at me. What's the problem, man? What's the problem? Feels so damn nice over the water. Got some cold air. Hell yeah. Why is there so much traffic? Jeez Louise, this car bumper right here is twerking. Twerk, 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 twerk. It's flapping in the wind. Mr. RS Camaro, I see you. What's up, man? I can hear Mo's calling my name. It is hot as balls, man. Maybe it should have kept raining. Kind of felt nice. Cause holy shit, feels like 100 degrees. What's up, man? Well, here comes the rain again. Out of the sunshine state where the sun is shining, it's raining. That makes sense. Wow. It's like a little drizzle, but where is it coming from? Well, I'm gonna go get my grub on real quick, and then I will be back. Hey, what's up, baby? Damn, that was fucking good. If you never ate at Mo's before, you better go eat there, because you're missing out on some deliciousness. Oh my gosh. Got a line of dump trucks. The race of the dump trucks. They are off. Look at them go. Just look at them go. Oh my gosh. This is ridiculous. Go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight. No! Ah. Why? Why do you do this to me? Okay, I feel a combination of rain and dirt from this fucking dump truck, man. That's why I didn't want to be behind this sucker. I was fucking getting pelted by rocks and shit. God dang. Look, it's all over my damn windscreen. Dirt and rocks and sand. What the fuck? That shit hurt, man. Why are you tapping your brakes, lady? Holy shit. Tapping brakes. Tapping brakes. Tapping brakes. What are you doing? Slam on them. Slam on them again. This lady does not know how to drive. Putting along. Okay, I think I've had enough of this. This dude must really want to sell his truck. He went out of his way to put stickers on there. Nice truck though. It's got street tires on it. That's the type of dude that'll probably want to race. I see a vet C7 convertible. Very nice. Let's go pay this damn toll. I like those cars. Lexus RC3 something. It's a nice car.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Thanks, you too. Well, if anyone was wondering, it's like a fucking 100 degrees here in Florida. Damn bike's running almost near 200 degrees because it's so damn hot out. Shit. I want to get exhaust and shit put on this. I just don't know what type of exhaust to get yet, so there's a couple different ones. I probably want to stick with like a carbon fiber one or a black one at least. AutoZone came in the clutch. I got some lens tint. Put it on my my blinkers, my tail light, the blinkers on the front and the back. So then the whole thing will be blacked out. It'll look sweet. So shout out to AutoZone for having it. It's like a spray too. It's not like a film, like a window tint. It's a spray on, and you can remove it if you don't like it. So they had a peel coat, and then they had a regular one. I just got the regular one. The peel coat's almost like a plasti dip, I guess. I don't want a plasti dip on my tail light, so I went with the regular one. If it's too dark or it don't look good, then I'll just use some gasoline and rub it off, so it'll be good. But yeah, if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!